Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Aline and welcome to this video about Prostadine. So basically today's video is going to be for men, and if they suffer from prostate problems, libido problems, then Prostadine is really your answer. But there are things that you need to know about Prostadine before you simply purchase this supplement and start using it like that, all right? Guys, I have some alerts, I have some informations, so let's just watch this video until the very end, and hopefully by the end of this video, all of your doubts regarding Prostadine will be gone, all right? So if you do want to purchase Prostadine, you need to keep something very fresh in your minds, and that is that Prostadine is only sold on its official website. That way you will be receiving the original Prostadine. If you need a refund, that is where you need to go, and so much more. So I will be leaving Prostadine's official website just below this video in the description box for you guys. It's just a click away and you won't be having to surf the internet looking for that website, all right? Now, Prostadine was created for one main benefit, but it ended up having many benefits due to its natural ingredients. So before we get to those benefits, let me just tell you that Prostadine is a combination of basically 9 really powerful concentrated natural ingredients, and it contains things like bladderwrack powder, neem, iodine, saw palmetto, all in which are really super great for your overall health. But Prostadine has some main benefits. That is basically, it will help you guys to have a healthier urinary system. If you find it really hard to pee or go to the bathroom, it will help you to fix that up. It will also help you have a healthier libido. So let's just say that, those go times you don't have the stamina, the energy, and your libido levels are really low. It will basically increase that, giving you guys more energy and more urge, And it is super, super duper rich and antioxidant as well, all in which are really crucial for men. So men really need these vitamins in their bodies. Now, Prostadine will help you with your prostate, with your kidneys, with your urinary tract, but you just need to be committed to your treatment. So make sure you take your treatment very seriously with Prostadine once you start using it. Take it every single day, daily, until you finish your treatment. And after you finish your treatment, you will see that these results will last, and you will be so happy that you maintained your treatment with Prostadine seriously, all right? Now, the other cool part about Prostadine is that it offers you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you have 60 days to test out Prostadine, and if you are unhappy with it, you can simply go back to the official website to ask for a refund, and they will give you back every single penny that you spent on it, which is really great because they are really confident about their formula. But guys, that is basically what I wanted to share with you about Prostadine. If you would like to get to know more about it, visit the official website, all right? Don't forget that I left the link just below this video in the description box. If you have any questions or doubts, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back at you. For now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.